My name is Dave T and I am the chair of the Wales Coaching Centre based out of the University of South Wales. I'm very excited because we have our 10th anniversary of the annual Wales Coaching Conference coming up very soon. It's hard to think back to 2014 when there was 100 people in a room in the Glamorgan Conference Centre on campus in Pontypridd, how much this has grown, how successful it's been. And it's also very, very exciting with this being our 10th anniversary event, that for the first time in 3 years, we are back face to face. Been online for the last couple of years. I'm so excited to catch up with so many friends, both familiar and new. Our theme this year is about coaching evolution. We've been going through some difficult times, not just in the United Kingdom, but internationally. And I know that many businesses are already starting to plan for how you can come out the other side of that as strong as you possibly can, how you can keep your key talent in place, how you can invest your key talent, how you can make sure you've got the right leadership style and culture fit for where it is that you're looking to take your organizations. And coaching increasingly is playing such an important role in developing our people and our businesses. So whether it's coaching one-to-one or one-to-many through things like team coaching and group coaching, whether it's person-to-person or people online maybe using tech more or mediated by things like AI and VR, there's so many exciting ways in which coaching is continuing to grow and evolve as it moves through 2023 and beyond. And we'll be looking at all of these themes during our event this March. We've got many great workshops, several streams running, so you can take your pick of the ones that are going to be of most value and benefit to you and your particular interests and needs. And we've got a couple of fabulous keynote speakers. We've got the wonderful Jane Grant, who I very much enjoyed speaking with on the Coaching and Mentoring podcast. So check that out if you haven't heard it yet in your podcast feed. And Jane is talking about how we as coaches can evolve and also how we can help our clients to really evolve and advance their thinking. And our other keynote is the wonderful Jenny Rogers, whose work has played such an important role in my practice and in the teaching and training of many coaches. And she's going to be looking at the theme of coaching as a practice and how that has evolved, about some of the myths around it, and her suggestions about how we can be the most fit for the future as a profession. So I really hope I get to see you there in March. Looking forward to it very much.